Turn off the LongTV box. Unplug the box from the wall. Wait for 10 minutes. Now plug in the LongTV box. Check that your HDMI cable is connected properly to the back of your TV and LongTV box. Try reconnecting the HDMI cable to the devices properly. Make sure that the HDMI cable is not damaged. If the cable is damaged, then use another HDMI cable for connection. Sometimes you can face black screen issue due to a damaged HDMI port of the TV. To fix LongTV black screen issue, remove the HDMI cable from the port and connect it to another port of your TV. First, check whether the LongTV power cable is damaged or not. If the cable is damaged, then change it with the new one. Unplug the power cable from the power socket and connect it to the other outlet. Now check if LongTV is turning on or not. If the LongTV batteries are dead, then you won't be able to turn on the LongTV box. This can cause the black screen issue on your TV. To fix this problem, replace the LongTV remote batteries with new one. Now check if you're able to turn on the LongTV box. If yes, then LongTV no picture issue is resolved. Turn off the LongTV box. Now use a pin or paper clip and insert it into the hole at the back of LongTV box. Press and hold the pin. Now turn on the LongTV box. Release the pin once you get the LongTV logo on your screen. Now complete the setup process.